Give us a call right now. We're jumping right into the calls. No fooling around. The number here is 888-317-2346. That is the radio number, 888-317-2346. And as you call us, remember, you can find Spar and Bernstein at www.4immigration.com. You can find them at their blog. Just put in sblawlink.com, right?
Correct.
And you will go straight to the blog.
ForImmigration.com.
ForImmigration.com.
You can get to the blog from our website.
Absolutely. Also, we must remind you about the other departments at Spar and Bernstein. That is, of course, the Personal Injury and Family Law Department, a very powerful department that is doing a whole lot more than most companies out there right now and making sure people get the maximum compensation, a phrase that I use a lot here. Squeeze uses that. Also, we got to remind folks about the Criminal Defense Department, okay, with Michael Beniakowitz, who goes out there and fight for you when you have a run-in with the police or you get in some trouble with the law. This is one of the most, if not the most powerful criminal defense attorney here in New York State. We also have a new department that jumped off real well that people are already calling and giving us great accolades about this department. I know for a fact that many of us owe the IRS taxes. Well, there's a new department at Spar and Bernstein that is all about settling your taxes for pennies on the dollar. What does that mean, Mr. Bernstein?
That means that if you owe a substantial amount of money to the IRS, the government is relentless. They will stop at nothing to get the money that is owed to them unless you have a very good, competent attorney step in on your behalf and say, whoa, wait a second.
Slow down.
Slow down. This guy can't pay, or this gal can't pay this.
Right.
Let's have them pay what they can afford only. And we've had situations, I mean, you know, prior results don't guarantee a similar outcome, but we've had situations where people owed $25,000, $30,000, and we've reduced it that, hey, they're only paying $50.
Yep, that is true.
Right.
Because once again, folks, Congress did pass laws where, you know, these laws, the attorneys like Sean Shee, that heads up the tax debt relief department at Spar and Bernstein, he enforces these laws. So if you just can't pay your taxes and you call up Sean will tell you exactly what needs to be done. As a matter of fact, not tell you. He will actually do it for you.
Right.
All right. And one of the things that I like that Mr. Bernstein at the helm of course, Spar and Bernstein has decided to do, he has decided not to take one penny from you unless he knows that he can help you. And I must say thanks to you.
That's on the tax department.
That's in the tax department.
Correct.
So make that call right now. The number for all these departments is 1-800-LAW-LINK. So when you call for immigration, see, I'm calling about an immigration appointment. I'm calling about a criminal defense appointment. I'm calling about a personal injury or family law appointment. And if they're calling for tax, they're calling for what? A tax debt relief.
Yeah, I mean, we had a guy call for 4 different departments in one
day.
In one day. He got arrested.
Right.
He needs his green card.
Right.
He owes taxes.
Yeah.
Okay, and he's got to divorce his wife back in Jamaica.
Wow.
So we had 4 different departments working on him. I said, God forbid you get hit by a bus walking out the door, and we've got all 5 departments, and I don't wish any of that to happen.
That guy needs a lot of help.
But he needed a lot of help.
He needs Jesus.
Or Spar and Bernstein.
Well, he's got to go to Jesus to go through Spar and Bernstein. All right, so let's take some calls right now. Once again, folks, it is Link Up Radio 93.5. We've got Candace in the studio.
We do.
Yes.
That's new.
Candace, how you doing?
Yes. Candace hears all your off-air
comments.
Shenanigans.
Yes.
Right, and she's very quiet.
Right.
She doesn't add to the shenanigans.
No,
she just processes it.
That's it. Let's see if this guy wants to forget about our shenanigans and get his question on the air. Hello, sir. Welcome to Link Up Radio's, of course, Immigration along with Spar and Bernstein. How are you today?
Hello, hi, Chris.
How you doing, man? What is your question for the attorney, Brad Bernstein?
Yeah, hi, Brad. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I got married in 2007. I came here on a visiting visa at 203. But the thing is, I'm married to a green card holder. So I'm like, I want to know how long does it take to get my green card. I married in 2007, and I started the process in 2008.
How long has she had a green card?
She's there from 3, but she's 30 now.
So she's got it. She's got to basically file her citizenship, or you're never going to get through. And it takes about 4 months to do citizenship, because unless you're grandfathered under 245I, it's not going to happen for you married to a resident. So we got to make her a citizen. It'll take about 4 months, and then you'll get through.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Got to remind you to call Sparn Bernstein, however, at 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-LAW-LINK. And once again, folks, feel free to communicate with us. We want the entire tri-state area to communicate with us. The show that you're hearing right now, if you don't see it up at www.4immigration.com, give us a call here at Link Up Media. Or give us a call. Give us, and I'm just saying, just to make sure that we're on our P's and Q's. What does that mean, by the way? I've always wondered, when they say when on your P's and Q's?
It means take another call.
That's exactly what it is. Always wondered about it. Hello, another call. How are you? Welcome to Link Up Radio. All right.
Hello?
Yes, hello. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I am wonderful now that you're on the phone line with Brad and myself. What is your immigration question?
Okay, a friend of mine, she got arrested for a misdemeanor, but she had a 2-year green card, right? But I'm wondering, can she, in order to renew that green card, what she needs to do? She did a community service that she's supposed to, and she had a 6-month probation period, but that was complete. And they told her after that 6 months, everything will be okay after the arrest. What she should do?
She should get the disposition and bring it into me because everything may be okay criminal-wise, but she may have been convicted of a crime of moral turpitude, and that could mean that she is deportable depending on how long she was living in the United States prior to her getting her green card. So she needs a immigration lawyer, she needs to get her disposition, and she needs, what I would do is bring it right into me. Call 1-800-LAW-LINK.
Okay, but what if she did the case with you guys with Michael Bernstein?
Michael Benakowitz?
Yeah.
Okay, so then she doesn't even need to pay a consultation fee, but I don't know off the top of my head unless I look at the disposition. Okay, so just come back in and talk to us, okay?
All right, thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Okay, once again, folks, this is Link Up Radio 93.5 WVIP. Let's squeeze one more call in there. Remember, you can reach Sparn Bernstein at 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-LAW-LINK, not just for immigration, but now for tax debt relief.
Correct.
Sean Shea Esquire.
Correct.
Taking care of people who owe the IRS taxes. He's going to show you how you can settle your taxes for pennies on the dollar. Stop looking at your watch, man. Link Up Radio. Let's take another call. What's your question for Brad Bernstein, the attorney?
I want to know that if you have a case going on and you got your green card and you got to upgrade it in April, what's the condition of it?
What do you mean you have a case going? I don't understand your question.
I have a case going on.
A criminal case?
A criminal case. It's just like allegation, but my green card...
Fine. Well, file to remove the conditions of your permanent residence. Nothing is deportable until you're found guilty of something.
So you say that thing is... Could you say that again?
I said nothing is deportable. Allegations are not deportable. Only convictions are. So right now you just have a case going. You haven't been convicted of anything. You may never be convicted of anything. Hopefully you're not. File to remove the conditions of your permanent residence within the 90-day period. Other than that, they're going to put you in deportation.
Could you travel while you have a case?
Yes. As long as you don't have a conviction.
Why don't you just put the guy that's next to you on the phone?
Okay, hold on.
Please.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Well, go ahead. Just talk to me, Bridget. What do you really need for doing?
TV over there?
I know everything that's going on. Yeah, tell me what really are going on, Bridget, so we can start with that thing quickly.
Oh, well, what she's saying is that my problem is that I've been arrested, but I haven't been charged with like anything. Why, you know what I mean? And
you haven't been convicted yet.
Yeah, and
go travel, go remove your conditions, and I would suggest you come in and speak to Michael about your criminal conviction because you don't want, or possible criminal conviction because we don't want you to be convicted of something that may make you deportable.
In other words,
right, well, and I have to move the conditions off of my green card also. So I wanted to know when I send it in if I would get it back. I don't want to know if they would hold it until after the case or if I would get it before.
You would get your green card extended, but you won't get the completion of the case till the criminal conviction case is resolved.
But that's what I wanted to know.
Right. You will get your green card extended, so
and
you'll
the key
be able
thing
to
here,
travel and work and do everything.
The